Hey guys, it's Brittany, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're a returner, then what's up? So today I'm going to be planning out my monthly layout for June, which is also my birthday month. So I'm super excited to be planning for that. I have chosen 3 books that I think I'm going to use to plan out that monthly layout. I have LOL, Agenda 52, along with another Agenda 52. This one is the Watercolor Girls, and then this one is just called Girls. So I'm going to use these 3 books to plan out my spread. If you want to see how it turns out, then just keep watching. So I've removed my pages off the disc. I took off my pre-planning, and this is what we have. So I actually filled in these birthdays before I actually started planning. So at the beginning of the year, I just went through and wrote in all the birthdays. Lesson learned. Next time I'm just gonna do sticky notes, and then I can decorate as I go on and write the birthdays in. But as you can see, my birthday's here, and my brother's birthday is on the 19th as well. So like I said, I am going to use these 3 books to create my spread. So let's get started. This is the LOL seasonal book, and I really like this because it already has like a little theme already out for you. So I'm gonna kind of stick with what they have and start decorating. I'm gonna take this Sunshine and a Good Time, and I'm gonna put this sticker right over here. And then we have a sticker that says Less Monday and More Summer. So I might trim it down so that it could fit on the Monday, somewhere on a Monday. So let's find some scissors. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim this down. I'm gonna cut a little bit of the bottom. And I'm gonna cut a little bit from the top and try my best not to cut like her head off. Alright, I think I cut that kind of crooked. Definitely did. I might have to cut a little snippet of her hair. Let's see. Need to cut a little bit more at the bottom. So I'm gonna cut right, try to cut anyway, right on that. Yeah, right there. So we want less Monday, more summer. And I think I'm just gonna put this down here, but I'm gonna also cut a little digit out. Cute. Inside of this book, I definitely saw Cutest Flamingo, and there's a flamingo here. So I'm going to take this giant pink one, and I'm going to put it right over here. And since we did that, I'm gonna also take this cute summer girl, and we're gonna add her as well. I think I'm just gonna add her like over here on Saturday. Saturdays I normally don't have too much going on. Should we put her at the bottom? Or I could kind of put her over here. Is that too much? Yeah, because I put the flamingo. So I'm going to put her at the bottom. Right there. And we're going to put, let's see, maybe a beach ball and her beach bag. She has a little beach bag. She's ready along with the little beach ball. That looks cute. She is ready to go out and about. So back over here to this one. Girls just want to have sun. I'm gonna put that. Let's put that on this Saturday right here. I don't think I have anything going on that Saturday. Okay, so I do need a colorful box right here because I have something going on that day, and I need to notate that. Let's get some summer colors going. So I am going to choose this blue shade, and I'm gonna put that here because I know that I have to go to an event there. I wanna note that this is the start of summer camp. So maybe I'll put summer here and then write camp above it. That could be cute. The 12th, a picnic. So I'm gonna put hooray right here on the 12th. And then I'm gonna put a little goal box there, so that we know that it's our last day. Right. And on this day, we just want some good vibes. No, let me put that right here because we want good vibes. Oh man, they had this schools out sticker. So let's change this hooray to schools out. Schools out. We have Father's Day going on there. And I know it says it there, but I kind of want to notate it with one of I know I have a Father's Day with this one. Let's do that one. We have Father's Day. I would like some decor up at the top, so let's see what we could do. We could do hooray for summer, and we can add, oh no, hello sunshine in one of these corners with the flamingo. So I already have a flamingo on that side. I'm gonna do hello sunshine over here. Where could this little flamingo go? I'm gonna move this sticker over a little bit to another box just because. Let's do it for the first Monday. And then let's do it there. Then I'm gonna put this little flamingo right here. I like that. Alright, so let's take this no shade sticker. Stick that on here. So I've been having a hard time trying to figure out what I want to do for my actual birthday spread. I think I have a little bit of an idea, but you know, it gets a little tricky sometimes. I'm like, oh, I don't know what I want to do. Hopefully I will find something that I like and will stick to it and actually do that. The first day of summer is actually June 21st. So I am going to put hooray summer. So we're gonna put that there. I am going to put some little sunglasses. SPF. Because you need that for something. I think that looks super cute. I wanted just this little girl right here, but I don't really know where to put her. Could just like throw her in there, but then she doesn't really go with the theme. Let's just leave her out. And I think we can put this sunshine please sticker. I want to find like a little summery quote to go across there, so I'm gonna look for that. And I'm gonna add this sunshine please here. Since I have this like yellow here that I put down long ago, I'm going to just tie that yellow in by choosing this sticker. It says live in the sunshine, and I think it might fit right over the top, so that could be like a good way to tie that in. So live in the sunshine, and I'm going to go back to this Agenda 52 girls book, and I'm going to put some of those little icons all around it. put one more quote since it's my birthday, and I like this quote a lot. Life's a journey, enjoy the ride. Let's see. I can put that right there. Oops. It's kind of hanging off a little bit. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to call it a wrap right here. I really like how it came out. It's a little eclectic and the colors are not really matching with what I have going on, but that's okay. Lesson learned. Next time, just do some pre-planning and put sticky notes in for birthdays instead of going ahead and decorating, because you never know what you want your spread to look like until it's time to decorate. So I learned that lesson here, and I'm gonna do that next time. But overall, I feel like it came out good. I am going to write my plans in. Be on the lookout on my Instagram if you want to see what my plans look like. If you are not already following me on my Instagram is pink_dreams_plans, and I'll put it on the screen so that you guys can see it. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.